Actually, a report from welcome back. This is actually a report from TVC. So, President Tinubu's convoy reportedly trapped in heavy flooding along Lafia-Makurdi road. Road, you know, no go fix. Security, you won't fix. Let's take a look at the video.
Saboda fasa wannan ruwan yana zaman da wani abu.
See the road. See, the road is flooded. No security, bad road. Now,
saboda fasa wannan ruwan yana zaman da wani abu.
let me know what you think about this in the comment section. This could also be one of the reasons why most times they find it difficult to access these villages even by themselves. Infrastructure is poor, security, you will not give electricity, you will not give also. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.